So far in Afghanistan, I've shown you the crazy cities, the crazy markets, the mountains, the people, but now I'm going to show you the food. We're going to hit the streets here in Kabul and try a lot of things, hopefully, and hopefully not get sick as well. So far I've been fine. So we're going to head down this way and try some local food here in Afghanistan. Let's do this. So I've shown you 2 meals so far, which is on the mountains. Nothing too interesting, but here in Kabul, they cook it all on the streets. There's a place literally next to my hotel where me and Bold are going to go now. I'm going to try a few things. First things first, cross the sewage river. Careful here, mate. Alright, hold on. Let's cross this road without getting killed. Assalamu alaikum, my friend. I'm looking for food. Kebab. Kebab. This way? Thank you, my brother. Okay. Hello, my friend. Is this the ice cream? Yeah, this is it. Ah, the Afghan ice cream. I've seen this online. Okay, I'd like to try this, please. I come inside?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So basically, they get all this ice, they crush it together. They get this.
Special Afghan kind of ice cream.
It's special?
It's making by hand. It's so delicious and
It's creamy?
yes, it's so creamy than machine ice cream.
Okay, my friend, I trust you. I'm going to come in and try some. I take a seat. Assalamu alaikum. And there it is. That is the ice cream we are about to receive. It's amazing. And where are you from? You're from Kabul?
I'm from Afghanistan, Kabul. Yes.
From Kabul? Oh, I like Kabul. It's very nice. No, YouTube. Yeah, we showed it.
For visit in Afghanistan.
Yeah, we're just tourists. Yeah, I'm having a great time.
First time to come Afghanistan.
First time, my friend, yes. But inshallah, next year I come back.
You're lucky.
Yeah, really.
The security system is so good
That's why I've come.
than before.
Yeah, much better. Here it is. Thank you, my friend. Wow, look at this.
That looks great.
Beautiful. Right, let me set the camera up here and tuck in. Right, guys, this is the famous Kabul ice cream. I'll both go straight in.
Right. I'm not a food blogger. I didn't. Oh wow,
It's nice.
that is lovely. Good.
Let me try it.
Ice cream in Kabul.
So my Afghani friends from London told me to try this, and here I am. Everyone's looking at me.
Why did you say here I am? So he's like flipping Alan Partridge. Listen, here I am.
That's my accent.
No, it's not. When he talks to me, that's like, here I am. He says, I'm having ice cream. Here I am. I'm over here, mate.
I've just found a pube in my ice cream. Big black pube.
That's the added flavour that you get if you're a foreigner. They give you one of their pubes.
So I've all of a sudden lost my appetite. Oh man. It's big as well.
It's Italian.
Right, we're back on the streets of Kabul. Next plan is to show you kebabs here on the street. Around the corner, there's this manic street where there's like hundreds of people cooking kebabs. So let's go there, maybe try it, maybe. I'm a bit cautious of my stomach. People are shouting at me.
Subscribers.
Subscribers?
Kabul.
Taliban subscribers. Hello guys. How are you, my friend? Assalamu alaikum. My friend, where can I get a kebab? An Afghanistan kebab?
It's really delicious.
Yes, where can I go to get one? You know a good place?
Yes.
This
Then
way?
you can go right side and go another square.
That way?
Yes, that way.
Okay, I trust you. Thanks, my
Yes,
friend.
thank you, thanks.
Have a good day.
Kudus Kebab.
Kudus Kebab.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I go there now. Thank you, my friend.
What's your pitch name?
Backpacker Ben.
Back?
Backpacker Ben.
Can you write?
Yeah, I write it down, yeah.
Where are you from?
From England. Yeah.
London.
London,
I
yeah.
like them.
How is Afghanistan now? It's better now?
Yes.
It's much safer for you guys?
5 days in Afghanistan.
5 days.
5 days.
This enough.
It's enough, it's better. That's good.
People of Afghanistan with
I
you.
don't know.
Very friendly.
Our
Very
future.
friendly. Everyone's
Yeah,
smiling.
it's tricky. The money's tricky right now, the economy. Yeah, it's very hard. What do you guys do? You work or have
We are
jobs?
students.
Oh, you're students?
Yes. We are teacher days.
Teacher?
Yes. Today is teacher day and we go some picnics and school.
Which area did
Oh, really? Okay.
visit?
Awesome. Well, good luck to you guys. Nice to meet you. Okay, good luck to you guys. Thanks so much.
And tomorrow we go to...
Wow, so those guys have said, up this way, I can get the best kebab in Afghanistan. So let me cross the road and get there. Oh, Jesus. Whoop. There's a sudden change of smell down this street. It smells like, oh man, it smells like Blackpool. Let's just say that. I can see it in the distance. There's a street food place, Kebabs. So let's get there. I don't know what this is on the right. Who knows? Maybe a Taliban headquarters. So I might get taken down in a minute. There's a man urinating over there. What a place. Bloody hell, this building on the left, it looks like it's been blown to pieces. All the windows have been blown out. Looks like something you'd see in Iraq when I was there in Mosul. Look at that, Jesus. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, get some stairs around this way. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friend?
How are you?
Not bad. It's Kebab. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Welcome.
I've come to see the famous Afghan Kebab. Can I see? Wow, here we go. Hello, my friend. You okay?
Nice to meet you.
This is beef.
Okay.
It's beef, yes? Wow. Look at that. Right here on the side of the streets in Kabul.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
England.
Yeah, nice to meet you, my friend. Yes. I'm just walking around trying to find... Whoa, look at this.
Oh, yes, kebab.
That's massive.
Yeah.
How are you? I'm good, my friend. How are you?
It's my teacher.
Your teacher?
Yes.
Wow, okay. Wow, listen to that. Right here on the side of the street in Kabul. Chaos. What a place. What time do you close? What time do you close? You're open all day?
Oh, fine.
Okay, I come back tonight, get kebab.
Oh, yeah, kebab.
Thank you, my friend.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, Allah Hafiz. Tonight. Tonight I come back.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz. Friendly people here on the streets of Kabul. We've got another place here. Assalamu alaikum. Chicken kebabs. Wow, look at this. How are you, my friend? Bagan kebab. What is bagan kebab? Can I see?
Maicha kebab.
Oh, wow.
Maicha kebab.
It's spicy?
Bahtu English ne.
English ne?
English ne. Bahtu Parsi.
Koi baat nahi? Hindi?
Bahtu English Urchi.
All I know is koi baat nahi in Hindi. Bold is in the distance saying try it, try it. I don't see him trying that. There's a wasp on it over there.
Charm.
Ah, charm. Wow. Okay, my friends, Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Crowds are gathering. More things here. Hello, guys. Assalamu alaikum. More kebabs here on the street. Wow. 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 And another one here. Assalamu alaikum. Chicken, pork, no, not pork, bloody hell, beef. And it goes on all the way down that way. Right, Bold, I know a good place, follow me.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hungry. Hello. Boxer. Boxer. Yes, boxer. Okay, good.
Right, guys, the plan was to eat on the street, get one of those kebabs, sit with the locals and, you know, give it a taste. But I don't think I'm going to risk it. I went back to the hotel and they said, yeah, listen, mate, don't risk it. You've still got 3 more days here in Afghanistan. The last thing you want to do is get sick. So I spoke to the hotel and they said, look, about 5 minutes down the road, there's basically a 5-star restaurant called Bukhara. I'm next to it now, it does look nice. So we're going to go in there and get a nice, decent meal here in Afghanistan. Okay, my friend. Huh?
Hello.
Hello, my friend. How are you? English? Small? What is your name? Jum. My name is Benjamin. What are you up to? Where are you going? How are you? Bye-bye. Just like to point out, like, in Afghanistan, there's a huge problem with, like, street kids here. Everywhere you go, friendly guy, bye-bye, my friend. Everywhere you go, you're followed by loads of kids, you know, asking for food, asking for money. Super sad. Me and Bold have done our best. You know, we've given a lot of food out, you know, a lot of money and stuff, but honestly, it's very sad. It's everywhere here in Kabul. Everywhere you go, it's crazy. This is it, guys. Bukhara restaurant, open 24/7. Guided by a man with a rifle. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, it's this way? Oh, yes. Wow. Hello, my friend. How are you? Well, it's safe to say me and Bowl have discovered an absolute beauty of a restaurant here. It was actually recommended by our hotel. It's about 10-20 feet from our hotel, and it is nice. This is Bukhara restaurant here in the centre of Kabul. Look at this. What an amazing little place this is. Notice who's in the corner, top left.
Yes, I have, mate. When I went to wash my hands, they're all looking at me.
Yeah.
I gave them the old yes.
There's about 7 to 8 Taliban in the corner of the left, in the corner of the room, watching over us. But they're fine, they're fine. Right, we've ordered food. Yeah, I don't know if they're fine. We've ordered food, and I'll show you when it arrives. Wow. Got a little view of the kitchen here, guys. Look at this. This is the kebabs being all prepared. This is beef, yes? Beef kebab? Thank you very much. Wow, looks great. Not bad for £3. Yes.
Chicken malai roti.
Perfect. Check out that rice, mate.
That is classic Afghan rice. This is what we've had many times.
Yeah. This looks like the greatest meal in Afghanistan.
Right, guys, I cannot do food vlogs. I don't know how Mark Weens does it, how he sits here and talks about food. All I can tell you is, I've tried it, it's fantastic. So we're going to smash this and call it a day. Back to the hotel, I'm going to explore the rest of Kabul later on in the afternoon. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Not bad, not bad. £8, mate, 8 bloody quid.
Perfect, mate. Oh no, poor Ben. Oh no. Oh. Ben?
Oh, mate. It's that ice cream, I do. It's the pube ice cream.
Oh Jesus. Oh. Oh God.
Like, you know, stinks in here.
Yeah, it does actually. Good luck, mate. Yeah, I'll be in the lobby if you need me. Well.